Everlast Automotive has been around since 1968, with our newest owner taking over in 2012. Since 2012, Everlast Automotive has been consistently growing and evolving with today's technology advancements. At Everlast Automotive, our purpose is to protect people's lives through the safety of their vehicles. We value the relationships we have with our customers and are proud of the continual trust our customers have in our quality of work. We carry out minor, major and interim services along with logbook services and fleet servicing. We replace batteries, alternators, starter motors, and we have top-of-the-line diagnostic equipment. We are fully equipped for all your mechanical diagnosis and repairs. We are a licensed air conditioning workshop and can diagnose and rectify all your air conditioning problems. Are you looking for a mechanic you can be confident in? Everlast Automotive is a one-stop, convenient shop you can put your faith in to consistently keep you and your family safe on the roads.